right, hey guys. I am going to play with the January Club Couture, which is called You and Me. So if you're not familiar with Club Couture, basically it's a monthly subscription kit. You get the transfer, and let me show you. It comes on this in this envelope. You'll get the transfer, and then you will also get the chalk paste singles. This one's from last month. This was actually the December one. So you get the transfer, the paste singles, and then you get emailed instructions, and it's $19.99 a month. So before I get started with the transfer, there's actually something else. You want to paint a couple of these wood hearts. I got paste on that. I was starting my paste. So I'm gonna use, this is actually the pink that I used before on the other project I did. I did a video that I shared before I went to leadership. Let me show you real quick. This was the other project that I did, that I shared the video of, which I just love. So I'm gonna use that same pink on these cute little wood hearts that I found in my stash. I'll move these up. Let me I'm gonna use, okay, these actually come in a pack of 24. I love these. Let's see. Found these cute little hearts in my stash. I believe I used these last year to make a Valentine garland when I kept up my Christmas tree last year and turned it into a Valentine tree. So I will also link that video. I want to do these first so I can make sure I can get them dry, because then I'm going to chalk on them, and hopefully, I think the one word might be a bit big for this, but I'm hoping it'll still work, because I'm hoping to chalk the words you and me on here. And by the way, this is the January Club Couture, and you can still add this one on to your subscription with no extra shipping. Let's see how that is. It feels pretty dry. Good. There we go. Oh. It's a little wet on the sides, but we're gonna set that aside and let it dry. We actually sell this mat, and I love it because you can see how much paint and stuff I get on here, and I wouldn't want to get that on my desk. So, all right, so I'm gonna use the Aiden chalkboard. This is actually the one that comes in the starter kit. I've had mine for, how long have I been in chalk couture? 2.5 years? 3 years? Something like that. Got a little bit of chalk still on there. And you can see it's held up well, although mine is a little bit scratched, simply because I drag this one to all my events, and sometimes I'm probably not as careful as I should be. So, my fault. But it's a great chalkboard because it's magnetic. So, and I'm gonna actually take advantage of that. So I'm gonna use this. I'm going to fuzz my transfer, and basically what that does is it keeps it from being too sticky, because you don't want to stretch your transfer when you're pulling it off of your chalkboard. And normally I don't fuzz that many times, but this transfer feels real sticky, so. And I'm just gonna kind of put it in the middle, because then it comes with these cute little hearts that I'm gonna place all over. And make sure it's flat. Oh, forgot to grab squeegees. You know, I have like 50,000 squeegees, and I managed to set them everywhere but where they're supposed to be. Let's see, I don't think I stirred my paste yet. So let's see. I think this needs a little bit more water. Oh, and y'all, I'm so excited. We actually have new pastes coming out next month. Not just new colors, but it's actually a new formula. So we got a sample of it, or not a sample, we got a limited, or an exclusive, I should say, color at Leadership. I haven't played with it yet, but the consistency looks amazing. So I love when they take something that's pretty awesome already and then they make it even better. So I'm just using white for this one. I think I used too much chalk paste, but that's okay, because I'm gonna wipe it off. Yep, this is a very sticky transfer. So I'm just carefully pulling it up. Sometimes you can kind of do like a little seesaw back and forth with your fingers just to keep it from stretching. There we go, there's that. Okay, so let's see, I'm gonna set this aside for a second. Oh, I don't know if this is gonna fit on here, but we're gonna try and make it work. Close that one. You know what, I'm just gonna put them all on here because I'm gonna use them all. Let's see. Actually, I'm gonna do this one first. Get the hard one out of the way. You know what? I think that might work. Oh my goodness, my dog. Seriously? I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I sure can. They're so dorky. Okay. The one that's barking right now is 13. He's a bit senile. So sometimes he just barks. I don't know that he even knows what he's barking at. Okay, let's see how that turned out. Yep, cute. Okay. And let's do this one. Nice. Okay, let me dry those. I have a new drying tool coming out next month that I am like so excited about. So my friend Tracy won one at Leadership and said that it's very quiet. So I can't wait. Okay, I think I'm done with the black. Yep, I'm done with the black. Okay, put the lid back on that. Let's see. So, kind of thinking, I'm gonna go like that. Okay, let's see. Oh, losing a chunk down the side. I think that'll work. You know, I wanted to use different colors for the hearts, but now that I'm thinking about it, I think it'll work. I need to wipe it down in between each one. All right, let's see how this goes. I'm gonna start. Put one up here. Going to switch colors because I really don't care if it bleeds a little on the transfer or, you know, on the image. Cute. So I used that transfer 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times without washing it. That's pretty awesome. So let me dry those real quick. So now I just want to put a little magnet on the back. What did I do with my magnets? There it is. Okay. So I have this little magnet here. I normally like to use the strong little round ones. I forget what they're called. I get them on Amazon. But I used them on a project last month, and December is always kind of crazy. I had 4 weeks in a row of events. And I'm not sure what I did with them. I need to organize a little better. So I'm gonna use these. I had this magnet link. I mean, these are fine for this. So I'm just gonna make sure there's no wet paint. I don't wanna get paint on my chalkboard. Okay. So I'm just gonna hot glue these right onto my hearts. All right, there we go. Put that down right here. Oop, and we're just gonna put that, oop, what did I get on there? There, and I've got my little you and me hearts. Let's see which way. Maybe I gotta do it the other way because I like it better that way. Look how cute! Isn't that cute? So super simple. And like I said, Club Couture comes to your door every month. and it's $19.99, and they're exclusive transfers, so they're not ever ones that are sold in the actual catalog. So actually, I'll move this up a little bit. So I left the link in the comments. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know in the comments, or if you're watching this later, make sure you comment with #replay and let me know what you think. So I'll be back next time. Thanks, guys.